Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma attended a seaplane demonstration at the Umiam Lake on the 14th of November 2024, organized by the state's Transport Department in collaboration with the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Union Civil Aviation Minister Kinjarapu Ramohan Naidu also participated in the event. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya reflected on the Northeast's connectivity challenges, recalling lengthy bus journeys from his early business days. He highlighted the transformative impact of the UDAN scheme on regional connectivity and noted that seaplanes requiring minimal water-body infrastructure would be a cost-effective transport solution for Meghalaya. He also outlined efforts to expand Umroi Airport and revive Baljek Airport while linking seaplanes to Meghalaya's tourism growth, especially as Shillong is set to become a major travel destination in 2025.
For the larger picture of what we are doing with the economy. So these seaplanes are going to be just seaplanes if we are not able to connect them or make them part of the ecosystem that we need to create. And therefore the tourism sector will play a very important role in the success of the seaplanes that come in. How do we integrate the experience of a seaplane on a Umiam Lake with the stay that the tourists will have, in the resorts out here? So just to share with you, this place that you are seeing right now, we are going for a massive changeover of this place. We have opened up bids to put up a 7-star resort out here, and we are getting bids coming in, as we speak. I think it's just in the pipeline. So I'm hopeful that in the next 2 to 3 years, we will be having maybe one of the best resorts in the entire Northeast region right here in this spot that we are standing on right now. And how do we connect with the plane experience and the resorts and the entire tourism sector will determine whether these kind of technology in the seaplanes will be a success or not. So hence the tourism stakeholders must connect and must be able to work together with the aviation team so that we can actually make it sustainable. Government will have to play the initial role to support so that their sustainability is there, the practical side is there, and be able to move forward. But at the end of the day, it must be sustainable through tourism and other sectors working together. So I'm very hopeful that that will happen. From the tourism point of view, we are very happy today that Shillong is one of the most sought after destinations. That's exactly what the word is. And overall, the economy of the region has got a major boost because of this connectivity that is brought up. And I'm very hopeful that we'll be able to really take this forward in a much more aggressive manner with, these seaplanes also being a part. I was told that you just require 200 meters of water body landing space and about 5 meters of depth for a seaplane to land. And these are some things, if you look at it in the Northeast, it is actually possible to even create these water bodies, which will be much more cheaper than actually building up a new airport. So you just put up a dam, which may cost just about 10-15 lakhs, literally, if the location is quite good. And you have a landing strip. So it's really something that can be really worked on, and you can actually, because of the large amount of rain we receive in Northeast, we can actually create water bodies in different locations to facilitate the landing of such planes. So it's really something that's going to really open up the sector, and I'm sure that we will see many locations that will come up in the future. In fact, even in Tura, my constituency, we are working towards building up a large reservoir because of the water issues and the crisis that we expect will happen, maybe 20 years, 30 years from now. So if we create the reservoirs and keep them ready, then we are taking care of the requirements for the next 35, 40, 50 years. And that water body will easily be able to accommodate this particular plane in the future. So those are the kind of opportunities that are available.
Civil Aviation Minister Kinjarapu Ramohan Naidu praised India's natural resources as ideal for seaplane use, pledging ministry support for Meghalaya's aviation goals.
Northeast. And the moment I woke up and I saw the breathtaking landscape, I am totally in awe with the beauty of this state and especially Meghalaya. I now realize why it is called the Meghalaya, the abode of the clouds, looking at the beautiful landscape that is in front of me. So I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has made this a possibility here to have the seaplane demonstration here in the beautiful Umiam Lake. And this demonstration of seaplane operations is not only a technological milestone for us, but a tribute to the vision of connecting India in a new and innovative way. I am reminded of the Prime Minister's first journey in the seaplane in the year 2020, when he has made an inspiring journey from the majestic Statue of Unity in Kevadia to the Ahmedabad. That wasn't just a symbolic flight, it was a powerful message across the country that we stand for unity along with accessibility, demonstrating the potential of seaplanes to bridge hard-to-reach destinations and elevate regional tourism. The Prime Minister's journey from Statue of Unity sparked enthusiasm amongst industry leaders and also the state governments. And it underscored the importance of bold initiatives to make aviation more accessible, efficient, and more people-centric. And it is an endeavor that brings the spirit of Udan scheme to greater heights. And today, as we take the seaplane operations from here in Meghalaya, we witness the unity of purpose between the center and Meghalaya under the leadership of my dear friend Conrad Sangma. Just as the Statue of Unity stands as a symbol of national pride, the collaboration between the central government and Meghalaya is a testament of how unity and cooperation can transform the country and the state. Together, we are creating a pathway for pioneering seaplane industry that will unlock economic potential, boost tourism, and connect communities across India like never before. And I'm confident that the stage that we have set today is going to thrive the seaplane network across the Northeast and across the nation together.